Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. I'm Austin. I'm trying to do my bit to spread the message and awareness on behalf of the family and friends of Jason Knight, the window cleaner that was tragically electrocuted via a high voltage power cable, and try to spread a message really on behalf of his family to help other families and prevent other window cleaners, people within the trade and other trades, tragically being injured by high voltage. This power cable that you see in the front of the screen here is a more modern variant, where this black wire here is what would have been individually twisted bare conductors are now insulated in plastic sheathing PVC. They're almost an armoured cable and they're twisted together. There's about 3 or 4 conductors up there. They're all aluminium, and that's a more modern way of distributing mains electric to properties via poles, because they reduce the risk of contact, electrical shock and death. But while you're out and about window cleaning, you must, I can't say it enough, you must just slow down a little bit. Look at your surroundings, look at what's around you, familiarise yourself with the risks. Everything will kill you. If you show no disregard for safety, you're rushing around, you're putting your pole up, you're in a garden and you make contact with a high voltage power cable, I just wish it doesn't happen to another person. Education is absolutely key. That's one part of the problem. We need to educate people. We need to spread the message. We need to let other people know what the dangers are, because in modern day world, you don't always know what the dangers are. You can't always familiarise with yourself with things that you're unsure about. BT telephone cables, they still pose a risk, even though they're about 70 volts ringing, 50 volts speech, they still pose the risk. Don't wander around thinking you're safe because they're phone cables. But you need to be able to discriminate from a phone cable and a high voltage cable. Everything is a risk. You must think about everything, evaluate it, and if you're at a house and you've got bare wires running to it, and there's about 2 or 3 of them, then they are bare, they are uninsulated. If you make contact with your pole, you will unfortunately become injured. Jason's cause is a message with myself and Squeaky Clean Dave Peden. We're going to continue to try to push this message as much as we can every month to make people aware. Jason, he's going to need a lot of help. He's got a young family. We're trying to fundraise and do things to help relieve some of the stresses and financial burdens that are associated with being a disabled man at this point in life. But education is key. Slow down, look around, look up. If you're unsure, check out the guidance online.